welcome to a class. So what we are doing time chapter. In that time chapter, last class I have shown you and I have explained you about the clock. What you have learned about the clock? You have learned about and you have seen their minute hand, second hand and hour hand. And you are knowing difference between now that what is minute hand and which one is hour hand and which one is second hand. So minute hand is the which one? Hour hand is the smaller, minute hand is the longer and second hand is very thin hand. And one thing more you have learned about minute in the clock, that between one number, interval between that number, neighboring number is there. Suppose you think 12 and 1. It is the neighboring number. Neighboring of 12 is 1. Neighboring of 1 is 2. And you have learned that between that neighboring number, 5 small indicators are there. Okay, you have learned 5 small indicator. 5 minute hand shows that is a 1 indicator shows a 1 minute. That means between 12 to 1, that is the 5 minute. And it's take 1 minute to cross one indicator to other indicator. That minute hand will take. So how many minutes it will take? It will take 5 minutes to cross from one number to other neighboring number. That you have learned. So today you will know about the time in 5 minutes. What you will know? Time in 5 minutes. So what you are seeing here, this is a clock. What is that? That is a clock. What does clock do? Clock tells you the time. Yes? Clock what? You can see the time on the clock. So what does the clock do for you? That clock tells you the time. Okay? So what you are seeing, that a short hand between 7 and 8. One short hand between 7 and 8. What you are seeing? The short hand between 7 and 8. This is the 7 and 8. Between this, one short hand is there. While the minute hand is at, where is the minute hand? Number 1, it means 1. It means 1 into 5 equal to 5 minutes. 1 into 5 equal to 5 minutes. Okay. So 5 minutes past the hour. What you can say, that 5 minutes it passed the hour. Number 2. It means 2 into 5 equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes past the hour. What you will say? That 10 minutes past the hour. Number 3. It means 3 into 5. That is 15 minutes. What you will say? That 15 minutes past the hour. 15 minutes past the hour. Okay. So how many minutes it is passing? So 5 minutes passing. So you can say that 5 minutes past the hour. If it is passing 10 minutes, 2 times 5 minutes, that is the 10 minutes. So what you will say, that 10 minutes past the hour. So if it is passing 3 times 5 minutes, then what you will say, that 15 minutes past the hour. Understood? And if it is passing 4 times 5 minutes, then what you will say, that 20 minutes past the hour. Understood? So what you have seen here, you have seen that one clock is there. And what does clock tells you? Clock tells you about the time. Yes? What does clock tells you? It tells you about the time. Okay? So here one clock is there and one hand is there, that short hand What does you say that shorthand? That shorthand is known as a which hand? That is our hand, no? That shorthand is known as our hand. And where you are seeing that shorthand? That shorthand is between 7 and 8. Yes? What you are seeing? This shorthand is the our hand. It is between 7 and 8. Okay? Then while the minute hand, when you will see that minute hand, if it is here, from 12 to 1 it will pass, means 5 minutes it will pass. Then what you will tell that? 5 minutes past the hour. Understood? If that minute hand, it will pass 2 times, 5 minutes, then you will, what you will say? 10 minutes past the hour. Okay, and again this minute hand, this is the minute hand, longer one. Again this minute hand, it will pass 3 times, means 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. It will pass 3 times. Then what you will say that? 15 minutes past the hour. What you will say? 15 minutes past the hour. Again, if this minute hand, it will pass 4 times, that means 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, then what you will say? 20 minutes past the hour. Okay, it is clear to you all. So what you will say? 20 minutes past the hour. The short hand is between 7 and 8. Where is the short hand? It is between 7 and 8. Yes. Where is the short hand? What you are seeing in this clock? Where is the short hand? It is between 7 and 8. So the short hand is known as what? Our hand. That short hand is known as our hand. And it is between 7 and 8. The long hand, this is the long hand, and it is known as which hand? Minute hand. Long hand is known as what? Minute hand. And this long hand is at 4. Where is the long hand? It is at 4. Okay? The long hand is at 4. What is the time? The time is 20 minutes past 7. What is the time here in this clock? What you will say the time? The 20 minutes past what? 7. Clear it is? What is the time in this clock? What you are seeing that? 20 minutes past 7. Okay? It is clear to you all? Okay? So, what you are seeing here? That one clock is there. And what does this clock do? This clock tells you the time. What does the clock do? It tells you the time. So here what you are seeing in this hand, in this clock, 2 hand is indicated. One is the hour hand and another one is minute hand. Okay? 2 hand is there. One is the hour hand, another one is minute hand. And this hour hand, where it is between 7 and 8. Hour hand is between 7 and 8. And this minute hand is at 4. So what you will say when it will pass from 12 to 1, you will say that 5 minutes past the hour. Again it will pass again more 5, 2 times 5. Then what you will say? 10 minutes past the hour. Again if you move 3 times, then what you will say? 15 minutes past the hour. 4 times, then you will say 5 minutes 4 times this hour. Then you will say that 20 minutes past the hour. Then what is the time here? The time is 20 minutes past 7. What you have learned in this clock? That time is 20 minutes past 7. So what you have learned today? You have learned how to see the time. Yes, how to see the time. So it is clear to you all. So next class I will deal with some exercise. Okay. So today this much only. Thank you everyone.